According to information published at the end of December 2021, the Bulgarian Ministry of Defense took a delivery of 45 new combat vehicles, including Guardian Xtreme and Toyota pickup, that will be used by the Bulgarian Special Forces. According to the Bulgarian company Samel 90, it is planned to deliver a total of 98 combat vehicles to the Bulgarian Ministry of Defense that will be built in 10 different versions, and the deliveries to be completed by the end of 2022. Official pictures published on the official website at the Bulgarian Ministry of Defense show Guardian Xtreme 4x4 armored vehicles and Toyota 4x4 pickup fitted with 2 doors cab and enclosed cabin at the rear. The contract for the supply of armored vehicles for the Special Operations Forces of Bulgaria was concluded on December 8, 2020 between the Bulgarian Ministry of Defense and the Bulgarian company Samel 90. The contract includes the delivery of 98 wheel armored and tactical vehicles in 10 different versions. The delivery of all the vehicles will be carried out over a period of 3 years. For the Guardian Xtreme 4x4 armored vehicles, the Bulgarian company Samel 90 has signed a collaboration agreement with the UAE-based company International Armored Group to finalize the integration and customization of all the combat equipment on the vehicles. The Guardian Xtreme is a 4x4 wheel armored vehicles in the category of MRAP, mine-resistant ambush protected, developed and manufactured by the company IAG. The design of the vehicle is based on VL-shaped floor to increase protection against the blast of mines and IEDs explosions. The Guardian Xtreme provides ballistic protection STANAG Level 2 against the firing of small arms 7.62mm caliber at 30 meters, and mine protection STANAG 2A, 2B and 3A, offering a withstand over 8 kg TNT explosion under the wheels. The Guardian Xtreme has a conventional layout with the engine at the front, crew including driver and commander in the middle, and troops compartment at the rear. It can seat up to 10 fully geared military personnel, including driver and commander, and is equipped with military-grade certified blast attenuation seats. Optional accessories can be integrated, which will include automatic remote control weapon station, thermal imaging surveillance systems, grenade launcher, blockout lights, and much more.